Hi team, I'm really excited to be here today again with James from the ANZ to announce our next event, which is going to be on July the 31st, which is a Wednesday from 9am to 12pm. It's my special Connecting with Others workshop. This is the work I do a lot with private clients. And of course, connecting with others is the #1 skill you need. It doesn't matter how good your product is, how good your service is, what knowledge levels or skill levels you have. If you can't communicate it, it's like winking at a girl in the dark. Nothing happens. So before I carry on, James, you're a relationship manager. This is what you do all day. What do you think? What's your take on this?
Hey, this is a really great opportunity for our business owners, their customers, operators, and also their key staff who are learning about connecting with others and building strong relationships. And we're really promoting this event because it really builds on from Nick's successful workshop last year on leadership.
Yeah, great. Thanks, James. And that was really good. That was a great event.
Yes.
Everybody got a lot out of it. So the two questions I always get asked is, who should come and what are you going to get out of it? Well, if you're a leader or a manager and you're leading teams of people, absolutely should come because you need them to like you and trust you. Or if you're in sales, you need to come. Now, my view on sales is that we are all selling. You don't actually have to be a salesperson to be getting benefit from the ability to build trust, rapport, get people to like you. When they trust you and they like you, they are much more likely to run through brick walls for you and buy your product or service or buy whatever it is that you're trying to sell. And it doesn't matter whether you're a community group owner, business leader, part of a sports organisation, or just with your family, friends and loved ones, you should come along. So click the link below, book now, and we'll see you there.